Welcome to our 1,000 subscriber giveaway!
Woo!
We just wanted to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. We want to thank everybody for subscribing to our channel. So we decided to do something special and we gathered some gifts together.
Yes, and there's 3 prizes for 3 winners. They're all to thank you. So if you enter our giveaway and you get 3rd place, you're going to get these beautiful Mickey and Minnie socks. They're really fun.
Yeah, anybody in your household can wear these.
I like how one's pink and one's blue. It's kind of trendy right now, I think. Okay, so that's 3rd place.
And it's official Disney Park merchandise too.
Yes, we got those at Disney World.
Yep.
In Epcot. If you get 2nd prize, you're going to get this tote. We got it in Epcot also at Mouse Gears.
We love Mouse Gears.
And when you, inside, there's a zipper and there's another pocket and it's red inside.
Yep.
It's really cute. It's really sturdy.
Yeah, this is not a really thin, papery kind of bag.
You could carry books in this thing.
Yeah.
Like, it's really nice.
Mm-hmm. First prize is, drum roll please, it's a Mickey Memories plush.
Yay!
Oh boy! And this one is number 6 out of 12. Very hard to get.
These come out every month. This one came out in June. He is really cool. He has his Mickey Memories limited edition on his foot. He is for the 60s, as you can tell. Evan and I literally got to the mall like 3 hours before it opened and waited and got this guy.
Yeah,
They're
we
very
got there so
exclusive.
early they wouldn't let us in the mall yet. And it was like the break of dawn.
And we were the only people there. There were other people there.
Yeah, other people were there and we hung out with them. It was really fun. We camped. I mean, it was like people had chairs and stuff sitting outside the Disney store. But to get a plush, you had to have a card. And we got one. And this is a very, very special prize. It's very difficult to get a highly desirable collector's item.
Very colorful.
Yeah. He's like denim.
He's got his cute tail, and he says he's got his yellow buttons. His ears say love and peace.
Yeah.
If you can see that. But we just thought it was really cool, and we wanted to get something extra special for you guys because we're so grateful for our subscribers. This one is for you.
Yep.
Yay! If you want one of these things, do the following. Number 1, be subscribed to our channel. Number 2, like this video or give it a thumbs up. Number 3, comment below the video. And that's it. Although there are some bonus entries you can do. There's 2 different ones. So if you want an extra shot, then the first thing you can do is share this video on social media. So we will be sharing it on our social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, and probably a picture or something on Instagram. So if you can share those and tag us, you have to make sure you tag us. We'll put all that information below. Then you will get an extra entry, okay? But you have to do all the first stuff first.
Yes.
And then, okay, so then the second extra entry is that on Saturday, this coming Saturday, that is July 7th.
Yeah.
We are going to have day 1 of our trip. Finally!
Yay!
Our April 2018 trip vlog. So, to get a second extra entry, we want you to like that video and comment below on that video.
Yes.
So we will be able to see who comments and if you guys are subscribed and everything. So it's going to be, we'll figure out who gets extra. And if you think that we might not know your name on social media or something, just make sure you reach out to us and we will put your extra entry in. And thank you so much.
I know, this is really fun. This is a big deal for us. And we hope you're excited about it too. this could be in your hands.
Yes. Or this.
Oh, this. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks for sharing your Mickey memories with us.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Apple?
Apple? Olive is back behind Evan.
Yeah. Oh.
We love Olive.
She's one of the two cats.
Mm-hmm. And Apple is running around knocking stuff off in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Love you, Apple.
Love you, Olive.
Love you both.
Love you, Mickey.
Love you, Evan.
Love you, TT. Bye, everybody.
Bye.